If you guys listen, the lions are talking to each other.
Oh, wow.
They are. Oh, yeah.
Now they're... Yeah. That's the all tall.
Damn, say hi.
Well, you must have a strong wind.
What, in my phone?
What, were they waiting for you out?
There's at least 4. There's been times where Raja and Kayla will have had some little like tiff and roar at each other, and that gets the lions going too. Really? You hear a tiger roar, and then the lions are like, "No, we're the loudest."
That's a great picture.
Tigers ever respond well? No. They don't care.